here, dog. Get down. This is Theo. Theo, say hey. Y'all look at this. Why does he do this? Like, it's so weird to me. If anybody knows why dogs do that, please let me know. I said, what are we celebrating today?
Birthday. Why you attacking me?
Hey y'all, I got my hair in a ponytail. Now look, I walked away from him because we are doing a surprise dinner for him. He don't know it, and I got all of his friends and family and stuff gonna be there. So he's gonna be so shocked that he's not even gonna know it. So I'm excited.
Okay guys, so we're out here today. It's the 14th, but as you know, my birthday was on the 13th. Went out to the outlets, did a little window shopping, because I'm cheap and I got a window shop before I actually shop, you know. Test the stuff out, see if I really like it. But now we're heading to the Crab Hut to get food. And my slippums, this one right here, my slippums. She said she spent $150 over there for us today, so we're gonna be eating good. I'm getting the king crab, all of it.
Oh my goodness.
All of it.
Oh my
It's gonna be so delicious.
That's
dessert,
150.
dinner, all of it. Oil, I'm eating everything. I'm eating king today. Thank you so much, Linda.
Oh my.
Oh, my stomach.
You ready?
Oh, my stomach. I can't barely walk because I'm so hungry. I'm starving.
Go in before me.
What did you do here?
Is that a heart shape?
Balloons.
No, it's a squash. It's a squash. You know, my mom transported it.
Oh, I see
Hey y'all, so I'm so tired. I'm sick. I just got done throwing up earlier today. I don't know if you can like hear it in my voice. I look rough too, so don't even look at me because I look rough. But my throat hurts really bad. Leon brought me some Chipotle, and I'm drinking on some Sprite, and hopefully that'll help. I need to get some Gatorade too, but whatever. I really need to go to the hospital so I can find out what's going on with my stomach. So if you wonder why my face changing, I'm watching TV on my iPad. So I just quickly put it on silent while Zoom breaks so I can come up here and talk to you guys. But yeah, so far I just been editing and doing thumbnails all day. So that's been that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow too, if I feel like it. Cause honestly, I feel sick. Right now, I wanna say my rapping video is up right now. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and look at it.
Hey y'all, so right now I'm just chilling, relaxing, or whatever. Don't mind the paint. I think we're gonna be painting this wall or whatever. Hopefully it's back white. See you guys about that. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. I was looking at Candy Birds, this thing. Matter of fact, I don't really gotta hear it. I'll just play it and mute it. But today is Thursday, my last day off until I gotta work. Full of it. I only got work 3 days, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I just wanted to come out here real quickly and say hey to you guys or whatever. I need to be googling this cup, you guys. I got this cup for a steal. This Brita cup. This cup was supposed to be $26. Guess how much I got this cup for? Jugget or $1. So I'm like, wow, I didn't know this cup was so expensive. So let me not break it. And I'm gonna tell you guys how I got it for $1. So it was only but one of these cups over here in the store. And I was like, oh, okay, well, let me see how much it costs or whatever. So in the midst of me trying to find out how much it cost, there was nothing over there to say the price or anything. So where it was at though, it said 98 cents. So I went to go buy it. I told him, hey, I want to get this cup, but I don't see a price over there in the price section. He said, oh, well, how much did it say? So where I got it from, it said 98 cents. And he said, oh, well, I'll just charge you for 98 cents. So boom, I got it for 98 cents. Come to find out, I'm not lying, this cup is actually $20-something. So got it for a steal. So I'm excited. So yeah, I'm about to edit. I've edited 4 videos for you guys. I'm about to edit and upload 2 more. So I'm literally about to have, by tonight, I'm gonna have 6 videos up and posted and ready to go out. And I'm telling you guys, I'm serious. Like, I'm about to really come out here hard. Like, the videos are coming out like pancakes. Like, I'm about to get up for y'all. I'm out here real working. So hopefully you guys know I'm not playing no games when it comes to these videos for y'all. Like, I'm not playing. Like, y'all gonna get y'all videos. I promise you. Y'all gonna get these videos.